I'm gonna counter. Squeak kitty. So cute.
Alright, so we know it's late, but we're coming at you for a particular reason.
It's 2 in the morning.
And we just got out of a movie.
Now, we haven't done really movies yet on reviews, and we definitely, I think, will start doing it, because we just got out from the theater watching
Bullet Train.
Now, the poster, boring. Doesn't look very interesting.
Oh gosh, it shows nothing about what it's about.
The trailer, you think it's just giving away everything. It does not.
Yeah.
It is a wild ride from start to finish. It's one of those epic, fun, enjoyable kind of movies. The kind that keeps you going through the whole thing. You're on the edge of your seat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And honestly, I was thinking we were going to be wasting our money going to the XD screen because it is a little more expensive, but boy was I wrong.
Now, before we jumped on, we were wondering what the heck is an XD, and we discovered it's a new variation of movie theater with the latest in tech, the best screens, the best sound.
Not just the best screen, the biggest screen. It is literally floor to ceiling, wall to wall.
Similar to IMAX size, guys. It's a huge screen. And
It's
crystal clear. It was beautiful.
The only thing I didn't like about the movie, there was one thing I didn't like. Sorry, we got a kitty invading here. The only thing I didn't like was that there were a couple of British guys that would talk very fast, and I'm hard of hearing, so it was kind of like I missed half of what they said, or more. But it was still enjoyable.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But it was definitely an awesome movie, guys. We're not going to spoil it for you.
There's this guy and this other guy, and they do the thing and the other thing and another thing, all while speeding in a bullet train. That's about what it is.
It just takes you for a ride, literally. And not meaning on a train either. So.
And there's a couple of guys, like, you will very clearly know.
And some fun cameos.
Oh, definitely fun cameos.
Yeah, we're not going to say. You have to check it out.
Yeah, like, I will just say the perv was fantastic.
Yeah. So, we highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. It was an awesome, fun, wild ride of a movie. Bullet Train. Definitely go check it out, guys.
Definitely.
It's worth it.
Check it out.
And you want to see this in the theater. Don't wait till it comes out. Don't wait for digital or anything like that, because it's an in-theater exclusive. It's not going to be out in DVD or anything for months on end. So go see it in the theater. It is worth it.
Indeed.
It's a late.
Good night.
Good night, everybody. Go check it out. It's awesome.